Now that you've got your Mailerlite system set up, we want to create a landing page so that people can subscribe to your newsletter. You can use this landing page in your Twitter profile. You can also make it a pinned tweet, and I'll show you how to make it into a promoted area on your Twitter profile at a later time. So the first thing you want to do is come over here to Forms. And then you want to click on Embedded Forms. So we're going to create an embedded form. You can name it whatever you want. Newsletter sign up. And it's already embedded form. Save and continue. Now we're going to select groups. If you don't see a group here, you'll create a group, add a new group called subscribers. Click continue. All right, and on this page, you are customizing the look and feel of your subscription form. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on email, and I'm going to add an input field because I like to have somebody's name, and I'm going to actually specify first name so people know what I'm looking for, and I'm going to make the field required. And I'm going to click save to that. So now I have email and first name. The email is a required field. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to add some more information. Join my newsletter list. And I'm going to say, hi, I'm Michael Seiger. Please join my newsletter list for a weekly email, only one time per week. You can unsub anytime you want. Anything that you think might be useful to get them to subscribe and reduce their worries about joining your list. Okay, so I'm going to click save to that. When somebody actually fills this out and clicks subscribe, they get this success message. You can customize that if you want as well. And you can customize the background, the color of the subscribe button, the color of the headings. All this stuff is customizable by you. Okay, so I'm going to click done editing on this one. And it's going to bring me to the form right here. You have analytics, so you can see how many times this form was brought up. You have automations, so you can create an automation like sending them an email automatically when they subscribe. You can make the form double opt-in or make it single opt-in depending on how you like. And you can see that the sender that things will be coming from will be your email address unless you specify differently. This is what the confirmation looks like, which is great. Okay, and so all of that looks good. So your question is, how do I get that URL? And that is right here on the overview page. Just click copy. And if you enter that into a new browser, you can see join my newsletter. So it's really easy. Michael plus test at webxmedia.com. And if I click subscribe, it says thank you. So you can test this, and you should test it yourself. If you're using any Gmail program, you can enter in first name plus whatever at domain TLD that you're using, and Gmail will automatically deliver that to you, and you can track it with that little tip here. So you can enter in the same email address multiple times to be able to do some testing. Then you can come back over here and you can look at your analytics. And you can see that one subscriber has been collected. And then if you come over here to the subscribers, you can actually look at the subscribers that are entered right here. Right here you can see unconfirmed subscribers. This is the email address I just entered. So that is the URL that you will use in your settings for people to subscribe to your newsletter.